In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share just one folder on OneDrive. We're keeping this simple and secure so you can share exactly what you want and nothing else. Make sure you're signed into your OneDrive account in a web browser. From your OneDrive homepage, go to My Files. This is where all of your folders and documents live. Sharing from here ensures you're only exposing the specific folder you choose, not your entire storage. Next, select the folder you want to share. You can do this by clicking once on the folder name or thumbnail so it's highlighted. With the folder selected, look for the Share button at the top of the page and click it. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can access this folder and what they're allowed to do. In the sharing panel, open the link settings by clicking the small link settings icon, often shown as a chevron or settings control. Here's where we lock down permissions. Choose the option labeled Can't Make Changes. That sets the folder to view only, meaning recipients can open and read files without editing or deleting anything. If you do want collaborators to edit later, you can always change this setting, but for now, we'll keep it view only to stay focused. Next, choose anyone with the link can view. This creates a simple view only link that you can share broadly without inviting people individually. It's convenient and quick. If you need tighter control in the future, you can switch to more restricted options like sharing only with specific people, but for this walkthrough, we're using a public view link to one folder. Before you finish, glance through the settings panel and confirm your choices. Make sure it clearly shows Can't Make Changes and anyone with the link can view, so there's no confusion about access. This is a good moment to double check you picked the correct folder, especially if you manage multiple folders with similar names. When everything looks right, click Apply to save your link settings. You'll return to the main sharing panel with your new link ready. Finally, click Copy Link. That places the view only folder link on your clipboard, so you can paste it into an email, chat, or document. Recipients will only see the contents of this one folder, not the rest of your OneDrive. That's it. You've shared just one folder with clear, read-only permissions using a link you can send anywhere. If you need to adjust or stop sharing later, open the folder's share panel again and update or remove the link.